Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Jamaica is ranked 6th in the world for starting a business. But if Finance Minister Dr. Nigel Clarke has his way, that position will be improved soon. Dr. Clarke, who was speaking in St. James on the weekend, said the government is working on improving the position by putting a number of services online.
We intend to build upon that, and the reforms that are being put in place are reforms that are geared towards allowing businesses to do more things online and do more things electronically. With the reforms underway now, you will be able to get your business name by filling out a form online.
Those looking to import motor vehicles also stand to benefit.
For the 9 border agencies that deal with cross-border activities, we're moving to ensure that those can be done online, starting with the Trade Board and for those who import cars. And so you're going to be able to stay here in St. James, and rather than what you have to do now, come to Kingston, or if you're in Falmouth or you're in St. Thomas, come to Kingston to get everything done. You'll be able to do it behind your desk with the stroke of a few buttons.
Meanwhile, Dr. Clarke is lauding the recent passing of the bill for the Tourism Pension Fund. He pointed out that in addition to workers and employers contributing to the fund, the government is also invested in its success.
The government of Jamaica, to get it started, will be contributing to it $1 billion over a period of time, and thereafter the employee and the employer will contribute, and at retirement the employee will have the means by which to purchase an annuity.
But he notes that the pension scheme is more than just helping workers in the industry.
This will increase the pool of domestic savings that we have, that will stimulate further investment, and will build the social fabric of the country. It is crucial and it is important so that the economic gains are shared by all Jamaicans.
We're going on to currency trading. Today ended with the US dollar selling for $131.72. The Canadian dollar is now being sold for $101.42. The pound for $165.04, while the euro ended the day at $149.34. Company executive Peter Mellado has been appointed chairman of Sagicor Group Jamaica. Mr. Mellado's appointment takes effect tomorrow. Now, he replaces Richard Biles, who will shortly take up the post of governor of the Bank of Jamaica. Mr. Biles resigned as chairman and as a director of Sagicor Group Jamaica, its subsidiaries, and all board committees effective June 30. Mr. Mellado will also be appointed director and chairman of Sagicor Life Jamaica and Sagicor Life of the Cayman Islands. He will continue as a director of Sagicor Bank Jamaica, but will no longer serve on the board of Sagicor Investments Jamaica. On the stock markets, the JSE index climbed by 2,875 points to close at a new record today, while the junior market index gained 61 points. Today's advancers include Cygnus Credit Investments, US dollar ordinary shares, Caribbean Flavors and Fragrances, 1834 Investments, JMMB 7.5% preference shares, and CAC 2000. Now on the losing side were Main Event Entertainment Group, Radio Jamaica, Seprod, Mayberry, and Honeybun. And that wraps up the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Good evening.